video related breaking update that is now coming on part of reactions, however, that have now come on part of the Congress party condemning the remarks and calling them as shameful, as the Congress party is now hit back, highlighting personal tragedies that Rahul Gandhi had to face in his family, including the loss of his grandmother and father because of terrorism.
शर्म आती है कि ऐसा आदमी भारत सरकार का मंत्री है। माफी मांगनी चाहिए मोदी जी को कि उन्होंने ऐसे आदमी को प्रधानमंत्री ने मंत्री बना रखा। ये तो एक जयचंद होता था इतिहास में, वो जयचंदी भाषण है इसका। किसको दे रहे हो? जिसकी दादी और जिसके पिता आतंकवाद की बलवेदी पर शहीद हुए, उसको आतंकी कह रहे हो? अरे मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं, शर्म आनी चाहिए जो तुम चले गए बीजेपी में, वहां जनता ने ठुकरा भी दिया, उसके बाद भी मंत्री बने बैठे। माफी मांगनी चाहिए भारत के प्रधानमंत्री।
शर्म आनी चाहिए उस व्यक्ति को जिसको 3 बार मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बनाया। बिट्टू एक बच्चा था, गुरकीरत उससे काबिल था, इसको कुछ नहीं आता था। इसके बावजूद राहुल गांधी ने इसको 3 बार एमपी बनाया और आज उस राहुल गांधी को कहता है कि मैं आतंकवादी हूं। बिट्टू जी, राहुल गांधी आपके कहने से आतंकवादी नहीं बनेगा, लेकिन आपकी मानसिकता, आपकी बुद्धि, आपके ज्ञान के बारे में देश के लोगों को चानन हो रहा है कि कितना आसान फरामोश आदमी है, अपने आकाओं को खुश करने के लिए कुछ भी कह रहा है।
Well, Nyamika is with us right now. Nyamika, good morning. This is when it comes to the hit back coming on part of the Congress party and the leader saying that Ravneet Bittu's political career was significantly earlier supported by Rahul Gandhi, who had helped him secure his position.
Well, indeed, when Ravneet Singh Bittu was in the Congress party, he was he was very close to Rahul Gandhi at that point of time also, and it is a well-known fact to all of the Congress members, and that's the only reason why the Congress party is making a very strong allegation against Ravneet Singh Bittu, whether it is about the deputy leader in Rajya Sabha, Pramod Tiwari's statement, or whether the Punjab CLP leader Pratap Singh Bajwa, who has also come out in open and he has said that Ravneet Singh Bittu needs professional psychiatric help. The manner in which he is making such kind of statements against Rahul Gandhi is unacceptable, because Rahul Gandhi was the one who had supported him throughout his political career when he was in the Congress party. As Pratap Singh Bajwa has also stated that the manner in which he is making this statement is not very bad, because Ravneet Singh Bittu was very much supported by Rahul Gandhi at that point of time. On the other side, it is Pramod Tiwari, who is a deputy leader in Rajya Sabha. He has also mentioned and compared him with Jaychand by saying that this is basically very unfortunate that such kind of person is a cabinet minister in Modi government, and he has also sought an apology on the part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because he is saying that Rahul Gandhi is a person who has lost his grandmother as well as his father because of this terrorism, and it is very much unacceptable on part of Ravneet Singh Bittu that he is making such kind of statements against Rahul Gandhi, who is not just a normal member of parliament, but he is also the leader of opposition in
Lok Sabha. We are getting reactions on this. Sareen ji is with us on the phone line. Sir, the reaction and the hit back coming on part of the Congress party saying that it is wrong to label Rahul Gandhi as a terrorist by Ravneet Bittu because his family has been victim of terrorism. Sareen ji? All right, we're just trying to get more reactions on this, on both the BJP and the Congress, and how the BJP would react on the response that is now coming on part of the Congress party side, saying that this is nothing but in a way to gain more mileage, more importance within the BJP now that he holds the position of a union minister, that Ravneet Bittu is making such statements out of greed for power as far as the Gandhi family is concerned, and Rahul Gandhi on personal front has been the victim of terrorism, losing his grandmother and his father as well. Nyamika, thank you very much for this. We try and get more reactions on part of the BJP.